Have you ever wondered why some Zulu girls still dance topless in today's modern world? At first glance, it may seem surprising. Many people misunderstand what they are seeing, but the truth is far deeper than appearances. Every year in South Africa's KwaZulu-Natal province, thousands of unmarried Zulu maidens gather for one of Africa's most breathtaking cultural celebrations, Umkhosi Womhlanga, also known as the Zulu Reed Dance. The young women harvest long reeds from nearby wetlands and carry them to the Zulu royal residence. It is a tradition that has been passed down through generations, symbolizing unity, respect, and pride in their cultural heritage. One of the most talked about parts of the ceremony is the traditional attire. Many participants wear colorful beadwork and traditional skirts while leaving their upper bodies uncovered. To outsiders, this may seem unusual, but within Zulu culture, it is not seen as something sexual. Instead, it represents history, identity, and a tradition that has survived the passage of time. Then comes the dance. As powerful songs echo through the crowd, the dancers raise their legs high with incredible energy and precision. Some viewers wonder why these movements reveal so much. The answer is simple. The high kicks are not meant to expose the body. They are a centuries-old expression of strength, discipline, confidence, and celebration. Every movement tells the story of a people who continue to honor their ancestors. Today, most Zulu people wear modern clothing in their everyday lives. Traditional attire is mainly reserved for important ceremonies like the Reed Dance, where culture takes center stage. So perhaps the real question is not why they dress differently. Perhaps the question is whether we are willing to see a tradition through the eyes of the people who have preserved it for generations. Because when you look beyond first impressions, you discover something truly remarkable. Not just a dance, not just a ceremony, but a living culture that continues to inspire, unite, and endure in the modern world.